Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again now with a new video. Now once that I finished the 100 a day challenge, I'm going to bring new videos to the channel, and I'm going to bring new ideas to the channel, and the channel is going to take a whole new directory. I'm going to make huge changes to the channel, uh, more more related to the content, more content wise related than anything else. I'm going to make more series and more case studies, compared to what I've been doing lately, more compared to the make money online ideas I've been uploading. I will still upload make money online ideas, but I just took the decision that I will just go all in with affiliate marketing, and you will be seeing my journey as an affiliate. You will be seeing me succeed. You will be seeing me fail. And I think that's the best way to learn from someone when you want to succeed at anything in life. So I think this type of videos will start helping a lot of you guys who want to get into affiliate marketing. And why I decided to do this, basically because I want to get more results with affiliate marketing. And now that I have a little bit of more money to invest into advertising, I want to test, and I want to bring you like a free way, because no one online is sharing free methods on how to build a campaign from start to finish, and how to actually then optimize that campaign. Yes, I'm talking about that. I will be bringing push traffic, how to launch campaigns with native traffic, with push traffic, with Bing ads, with Facebook ads, with ClickBank. I will bring all you will need to know in order to start in affiliate marketing for free. Yes, maybe in the future, if I'm getting a lot of results, I will decide to make a course, but it won't be that much expensive. I was thinking like $50 or maybe 20 to $50, but that's on the very long term, meaning maybe on a year of results. Maybe I just give it all for free, because I think the more value I give, the more value you will get. And I think that's how also one succeeds, if he or she shares what his success and doesn't keep it for itself. Yes, I think that's a key for succeeding in anything in life. And I'm also going to upload more related to the Ty, because I'm doing mentoring with Tai Lopez. Obviously not physically, but digitally. I am, as you can see, I'm an affiliate for Tai Lopez. I promote his courses, and also I consume his content, and I'm going to share different content than the content I'm used to upload to this channel. But that will be, if you see the first videos I upload to YouTube, you'll see that I uploaded the 5-minute mentor review and the cash flow review. Well, I will be uploading content related to that. I will be reviewing 5-minute mentor again, and I will be sharing how I'm going to promote and how I'm going to make money. You will see me uploading a case study as how I make money as a Tai Lopez affiliate. Yes, obviously it suits my channel because I'm an affiliate, and it will be viable for you, or worth it for you to watch that type of videos, because that affiliate program that Tai Lopez has is a paid affiliate program. You have to pay to get in, and maybe you will see the value of me sharing or reviewing it, and maybe you will decide to join. Yes, so now that I got that out of the way, I want to show you, this will be the first part of a case study that I will upload to my YouTube channel. and this is how to make money with Max Bounty with native ads. This will be a series. Maybe I will upload one video a week, but this will be the first part of it. I'm going to show you the overview of how I'm going to promote and what products I'm going to promote now that we are currently facing the coronavirus, because many offers and the affiliate marketing world has seen a down spiral because of the coronavirus. Many offers are not converting, and obviously there are a lot of more people on their houses consuming videos and consuming internet, but conversions have dropped because of that same reason, because people have not anymore a secure job and they don't want to spend their money, and that's why conversions have dropped. Yes, but that doesn't mean that you can't still make money as an affiliate. Yes, where there's a problem, there's also an opportunity. Yes, so that's why I'm going to make this series. And also my affiliate manager from Max Bounty recommended me some good campaigns for the current situation we're going, that the world is currently facing, and I'm going to promote a product that suits the situation, and that is obviously the coronavirus situation. I'm going to when I get into the video, I'm going to explain, but this is why I wanted to make this channel, this series. Yes, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Well, and hope you like the directory I'm going to put to my channel. Yes, so without further ado, also, so remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video. Now, yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. Sorry for the long intro. I just wanted to clear the waters. I just wanted to let you know how the channel is going to work. Yes, but now let's get to focus in the video. It will be a short video because I want to show you the first part of this series of how to make money with native ads with Max Bounty. In this case, now I wanted to clarify that I'm going to use native advertising to promote affiliate offers with the Max Bounty using the Max Bounty ad network, but you could use any other affiliate networks. I think there are better out there than Max Bounty, but that's why also I'm choosing Max Bounty to demonstrate that it does not matter what CPA network you choose, you can also make money with anyone. Yes, because they all have offers and all offers convert. So also I won't be making, if I won't be making money, it could obviously it will give you like a learning or improve your learning curve for you, so that you know what I got wrong, and then you can improve what I did wrong and on your own campaigns. Yes, so basically what happened, the idea of this series happened because I was talking on Skype with my affiliate manager, asking him if because of the coronavirus they got less conversions, and he told me the exact opposite. He told me that because of coronavirus, people are buying a lot of more things compared to on how to keep safe, or how to not spread the virus, for example. Yes, so this is a good product that suits the moment that we are facing as a human race. This product, for example, the Safe Mask, is a mask that covers you against any viruses, and any air pollution. Yes, so it takes a chance on the situation, and it's not taking advantage of anyone. Yes. And why do I chose this product, and why my affiliate manager recommended this product, is because I told him that I was going to use native advertising for for the traffic source that I was going to use to promote products. And he told me that this product was suitable because of the advertorial. Yes. Now, if you saw any other of my videos on my channel, you saw that if you want to do native advertising with affiliate marketing with native advertising, you know that you have to have a pre-landing page where you basically pre-sell the product. So that is basically what a pre-sale page is. You are pre-selling the product. Yes. So here, Max Bounty within the offer already has a pre-sale page that is already made, that you just have to copy the link and just upload it. Yes. And now also what I'm going to teach you is to track correctly your affiliate offers. Yes. And for that, I'm going to use RedTrack.io. Yes. RedTrack is an affiliate tracker that tracks your clicks and your conversions. Yes. In next video, I'm going to teach you how to connect RedTrack with within Max Bounty. Here you will have to put the postback code, and this is the pre-sale page I'll be using to promote the offer. Yes, and the traffic source obviously is going to be native. If you don't know what native is, native advertising is an ad that appears on a news article site. You know, where you just have an article and at the end of the article they have something that says paid content. Well, that is native advertising, and that is where we are going to promote this product. Yes, and this is the ad network that we are going to use, and this is AdCash. And I choose AdCash because they have a particular function, or a particular configuration where they allow you to put a budget called target CPA. And what target CPA means is that you just specify the conversion or the sale amount, and what the campaign will do is that it will not spend your bid more than the target CPA. So if you have a target CPA of $35, so that is the amount that is the amount per conversion, $35. That's the amount you'll be making if you sell, for example, one mask. What you're telling the target CPA is that the CPC, the cost per click, does not exceed the conversion, the target CPA. So if the ad spend does not exceed the target CPA, so if it spends $35, what it will do is will shut down the campaign. Yes, if you have no conversions. But if you have one conversion, it will optimize for the next conversion and so on, so that you don't spend more than $35 without having a conversion. Yes, that's how it basically works. It's pretty accurate. And I'm going to try it with native ads. They have a lot of traffic. They have pop-under, push traffic. It's a very good ad network in its own. Yes. So hope you like this introductory video, this case study. This was just like a glance of how it's going to work. If you like it, please comment in the section below what you think, and also hit that like button, and stay tuned for part 2 next week.